great learners. I just wanted to give you a short video tutorial on how to use your study guides for your class and where to find your study guides. So the study guides are useful because you can use them as notes on your quizzes and your tests in Apex. So let's find your study guides. You guys can see this is an 8th grade math class. And if you click a unit, open your unit, and then I'm going to go to the first lesson 1.1. And where it says study and it has the pencil icon, if I click that and I start up in the corner, you have the study guide. So click on that icon. Let me make sure that I'm sharing my screen again so you can see the worksheet. Is that the right worksheet? And try this again. There we go. So now you have the worksheet, and from here, you're just going to follow the steps to use Kami. So you can use the Kami tutorial if you need help with this, but I'm going to show you. So in the study guide, you can fill this in, take notes from the lesson reading as you're doing it. And then this sheet can be used on all of the quizzes and the tests in that unit. So you might have 4 study guides for a unit, and you can use all of those on your unit test. And so I'm just going to go ahead and download. Also, there's a feature to be able to show answers. I'm not sure if students have this on their end, but if you're wanting to check your work, you can show the answers. But make sure you'll need to do your own work in order to submit on your practice assignments. But for the study guide, you can use that as a backup to see if you've answered the math problem correctly. And then we'll go ahead and download it. We're going to save it to our Google Drive. And these steps are also in the Kami tutorial videos. I'm going to open the worksheet and come up to the top, and it's probably not going to let me because I'm in Firefox. So you can open this with Google Docs and fill this out in Google Docs, or you should be able to open with Kami. So if you don't have Kami installed, you can click to install Kami, and I'm going to stop the share, and that's it. So make sure you're using your study guides as an extra tool to help get good grades in your classes.